Hello guys and welcome on Easy Car Detailing on YouTube and multiple platforms. So thank you very much again for your attention, and if you didn't subscribe yet, please do that right now. And I want to talk to you today a little bit different video will be today. We're working on an M135i BMW. The car which is 1 year old car and have been damaged in terms of the bodywork. The client approached this in dealership and he didn't been informed in terms of the bodywork as much. I find it here, and what I'm going to do in this video, I'm going through literally panel by panel and explain what's been hidden in terms of client bought this vehicle, spent lots of money, and they didn't tell him exactly what been in terms of damages, what been done to the car. So first thing first, we did our decontamination outside. What happened? We used clay bar, liquid clay bar, again time remover, whole process. The BMW package was quite tricky, I would say, because what they did, they put ceramic coating in terms of waxes or some kind of ceramic coating as liquid. They put on a dirty, they washed the car, but they put it on a dirty skin. I call that, in terms of detailing, was very rough paint, let's put it this way. They didn't polish, they didn't decontaminate the paint, they just literally put it on the body. So what we did, we strip it down, but still what we find, you can hear that on a panel. This is signs of paint panel, which is overspray on a car, so you can literally hear that. On the other side we polish already, so it's nice and smooth and you can't hear anything. So what happened here, then I go panel by panel, and on the side of the wing we can see it's different paint in terms of the orange peel. So we got thousands of dots, and then we got reaction on a panel. And he haven't seen that because we can see on the inside in the unit, we can see these defects because it's cold light. Once it's cold light, we can see the true and what happened here. So what we see here is reaction of the filler. So the filler been applied, and after a couple of weeks, there's reaction, really bad reaction, and we got orange peel everywhere on a panel, and they try to lose it on a front bumper. So this needs to be dressed. We're going to do smart repair, but strip it down completely and start again with this panel. In terms of the piano black trims, everything been polished, nothing been done previously. So I'm going to show you again. You see the swirls. Literally after 1 year, the cars used to go to car washes, so we got swirls, miring, and all this haziness. And on the left hand side we did polish already, but it's really bad, okay? So we'll be doing that today. And in terms of back of the car, we done one stage polishing, but still rear bumper. You can see, I don't think the camera will pick it up, but again, they don't come through the factory in terms of the dots. So this bumper been resprayed and client didn't know about it. So in Easy Car Detailing, we go inch by inch and we can tell history of the car or what been done in terms of the smart repair or any body shop. So we can tell you the truth and what needs to be done or what needs to be dressed in terms of protection or paint correction. In terms of the alloys, client again haven't been informed they've been refurbished because they are diamond cut. And what I see here, the lip of the alloys look like being cut already with a machine. So they redo it again. There is machine leftover cut on alloys. In terms of the middle section, you can see they haven't been resprayed correctly, or literally just the human went around, human hand, and just cut any crevices, any small section literally. So the point what I'm trying to make, they don't tell you all the time, I would say this businesses like BMW, Mercedes, Audi, they don't tell you whole true what been done with the vehicle, and obviously the client now is disappointed because he extraordinary amount of money he spent with these dealerships. People do. So what we're doing here, once I strip the car, like I said, preparation, we can inspect the vehicle in the easy car detailing, and we make sure we doing correctly things how meant to be done. Okay, and that's why when I said in the beginning the video will be a little bit different. It's more informative and tell you more what we can do in the easy car detailing, especially through the inspection. And guys, maybe in the future, please let me know what would you like to see in terms of any particular car, or if you like me to work on a particular car, or what would you like to see again on an easy car detailing channel. Once again, in terms of interior, we got Antankara beautiful leather. It's beautiful car, and what we did, we lift any kind of micro dirt. We lifted up the Antankara leather hair, and we treat it with the products, again detailing products, so it's absolutely beautiful and fresh again for the client. In terms of the little trims here, we polished them, so we put in back now because was micro scratches on them, so we just did polishing, and now we put them back to the place. There you go. So once again, is ready for the client, and it's beautiful and really fresh, because we don't know who been driving this car for a whole year. So now is, in terms of bacteria or any kind of smell, is natural. So it's beautiful again. So once again, we polishing the grille. It's lots of minerals in this piano black front grille. In terms of 1 year, no one polished this. It's just been going through the washes, and they come usually very glossy, very shiny in the beginning, because it's piano black again. So what we do, we have a little cone here, called a cone, polishing. So we dip it in the product, the polisher. I would say 5 to 10 seconds, and we move to the next one. And obviously once it's polished, we just buff it off with a microfiber towel. But even small edges like this can be treated with a cone polish, because it's adjustable. So we get it in quite easy, and we can polish safely. I just want to share, we did put the ceramic coating, we prepped, we polished the panel, and it's nice and smooth now. We put ceramic coating for 4 to 5 years, and this is the proof. So you see the bubbles, the water staying on the top of the coating. So car is preserved, protect, UV protection. Ceramic coating is very good in terms of beating. You see here we got like look like caviar bubbles. So we got this piano black trims. Once again, haven't been polished before ceramic coating or any coating from BMW, so it's I would say heavily damaged, because they are completely milky, scratches, miring and swirls. So we're going to bring it to brand new, and we seal it with a ceramic coating, these panels, so they'll be preserved and protect. Well guys, now we are ready to polish another half of the panel, and what happened in the second half of the panel, you did hear the sound, and the sound came from the other side of the wing, because they tried to respray it as a smart repair, but quite bad. So what happened, when they oversprayed the car, they haven't covered properly. That's why it's sound terribly. And we're going to address this in terms of the polishing, and after, obviously, ceramic coat it. Well guys, so now we prep the panel, we polished two-stage polishing, and what we did, take any micro scratches, and especially that overspray, we get rid of it in terms of the polishing. What we find, once again, whose fault is that? BMW or client haven't checked it properly. So we find 6 dents, micro dents, but they are on the front of the bonnet. So we're going to address that in the easy car detailing too. So not just the smart repair we're going to do dents once again. And now what we did after polishing, we prepped the panel with a 50-50 alcohol, and we're going to apply it 5 to 6 years, apologize. Carbon collective, okay, carbon collective going on panel right now. We're going to dress it, so straight line onwards. So it will be very important again, the alcohol 50-50 to take all the oils from the polishing the panel, and after obviously ceramic coating will preserve this vehicle from the dust, from the bad weather, from the rain, water spots. So guys, we finished this lovely project for BMW, for the client, and I just want to say in terms of the front wing, obviously need to be done again with the smart repair, because I can't polish it, I can't sand it in terms of the paint correction, because the filler is right there and reacting. So we're going to dress it in terms of the smart repair. 6 dents on a bonnet, again, we're going to dress that. But overall came beautiful, and paint correction been quite successful, I would say, in terms of our work on a BMW. Just want to say, as an education video, as a more informative video, because these cars from BMW coming in this kind of state, so I just would like to know, what do you think, guys? Whose fault is that? Is it BMW, or is a client haven't checked the car properly once he buy it? So please let me know in comments below, and see you with the next one, guys. Looking forward, and let me know what you'd like to see in the future. Thank you very much.